You must not have any other gods besides me.
除我以外，你不可有别的神。
You must not make for yourself a carved image or a form like anything that is in the heavens above or on the earth below or in the waters under the earth.
不可雕刻偶像，也不可仿造天上、地上和水里任何东西的形象。
You must not take up the name of Jehovah your God in a worthless way, for Jehovah will not leave unpunished the one who takes up his name in a worthless way.
不可滥用耶和华你上帝的名字，因为滥用他名字的人，耶和华一定会惩罚。
Remember the Sabbath day to keep it sacred.
要守安息日，奉为圣日。
Honor your father and your mother so that you may live a long time in the land that Jehovah your God is giving you.
要尊敬父母，这样你在耶和华你上帝赐给你的土地上就可以活得长久。
You must not murder.
不可杀人。
You must not commit adultery.
不可通奸。
You must not steal.
不可偷窃。
You must not testify falsely when you are a witness against your fellow man.
不可作伪证陷害人。
You must not desire your fellow man's house. You must not desire your fellow man's wife, nor his slave man, nor his slave girl, nor his bull, nor his donkey, nor anything that belongs to your fellow man.
不可贪图别人的房屋，也不可贪图别人的妻子、奴仆、牛驴和任何属于别人的东西。
That's all for this video. Please boop that like button before you go, and I'll see you next time.